Here's a speaker test of the JL Audio C3-570s. Just going to give you a quick video of what they sound like.
I was doing this show, right? And as I'm getting off stage, this girl's pointing at my tattoo and she's like,
what does CWB stand for?
Hold on, let me adjust the EQ. Hold on.
and she's like,
Okay, so the low end bass is up to, or mids, or a little bit higher, 80 hertz bass is 4. Okay, I'll try that.
I just started laughing. Bitch, you couldn't handle my kind of crazy.
You can't handle it.
Okay,
You
there we go.
can't handle it. You 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 can't handle it.
Bitch, I wasn't born to this world with my word and my dick.
Not too bad, it's pretty loud. The bass and low end bass is great.
I'm gone, there's no way to be reaching me. I'm crazy in the clouds and I'm enjoying the scenery, but the pain is still eating me. I'm losing all control. I hear the voices in my head and feel that burning.
The high frequencies are pretty good. I don't know about the rest.
My friends, and now I'm fucked in the head. Cursed to spend the rest of my life a fucking zombie. There's no love in my blood, so you can
We were good right up to about there, but even then I can just talk over it. It's not really that loud. If you go past that, then it starts kind of distorting.
I'm unfixable and people like you will never get it.
You can't handle it. You can't handle it. You can't handle it. You can't handle it. You can't handle it. Can you can't handle it. You can't handle it. You can't handle it.
No, you can't handle this. You cannot touch us. MC Hammer this. Sergio Bonaparte. Envy my hammer fist. Nowhere near me, cause I'm the man in this. What you gon' say, man, when we drop it on ya? Dope sick, low clips, then we lock it on ya. Beam, baby, scream, all your ladies on my team and easy to see as the shit that you be breathing. Oxygen, dipping, laid back, popping Oxycontin, dump them in the river, water damage, ugly body rotten, mental pace diminished with an aura made of platinum. Got the chain that match them, know that you can't handle them.
My pornographic demographic is a handful. You niggas know just what I stand for.
Seems like if you turn the bass down, then they're alright, but if you want any bass,
Sick, for example,
not really. Forget about it.
to make his back explode. And you already know I'm gone. 3, 2, 1, hobby. Get in, living the scene, fuck this motherfucker, not letting the scene. Stepping to, weapon to use the whole clip till the slip kick hits your shoes. Here it news, phone bill, rabbit dudes. Here we do it for a wagon and how we do, loud and rude. Fucking with some rowdy dudes, talking to the best is how we